Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if your PC is hacked in 1 minute. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type MRT and press Enter. You'll now see different scan options. Select Quick Scan and click Next. Windows will scan your computer for certain known malicious software. Wait for the scan to finish and follow any instructions if a threat is detected. Next, press Windows plus R again. This time, type NEPLWIZ and press Enter. Check the list and make sure you recognize the accounts that have access to your PC. And press the Windows key. Search for Startup Apps and open it. Here, you'll see applications that are configured to start automatically when Windows starts. You can disable unnecessary startup apps to reduce background activity and improve startup performance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips, security guides, and computer tutorials.